Dawood, best doorbell. Here you go. The Reolink, better than Ring. If you want a doorbell, that's the one you go for Ring. The Reolink doorbell is good. I have to say that they are coming out with some good stuff. This one is the 2K battery powered or power supply. The model's D440B with Chime, but this one's got 180 degree style of fisheye lens on it, so it gives you the reason why it's got the 180 degree and it's diagonally is because it's to monitor packages as well. Everything else is the same. It's got, and this it's only a couple of pounds, but what they're doing is very good. You see, they're giving a 64 gig microSD card. It's pre-installed. Otherwise, when you buy this, you have to buy the SD card, and sometimes there's so many different types of SD cards, as everyone knows. And if you don't get the right one, it won't work. You have to send it back. They are coming pre-installed with a 64 gig. I know 64 gig isn't the highest, but just that little added feature of coming with the storage card already, I think they are. You see, most manufacturers would not include that, because that's like, what we're talking, maybe at the cost of the quantity they're buying, £3, £2, £3, £4, and if they're selling 100,000, that's like £400,000 on top. But I think that is a really good feature.